Hey everybody, Tom from Rocket Restorations back here, and we're doing another video on this 1976 California Highway Patrol Dodge Coronet. Thanks to Dead Dodge Garage, Jamie works for me here at Rocket. He got the car running and it was just a fuel pump. It was pretty easy. It ran before, but we had to prime the car, but now it's actually getting gas in the tank. So now I'm gonna kind of walk through some of the stuff we do to one of these cars. So, just little stuff, you know. The headlight's busted out from where it was sitting forever, and we're gonna vacuum it out now and just give it a nice clean up. And then what we're gonna do next is fix the brakes, because one of the calipers is hanging out, but it's super dirty inside. The other thing I need to do is put new tires on it, because these are super duper old. And that one has the nubs for the correct cop car hubcaps. So we had several questions on this. So on Mopar police cars, these caps came out in 1976, and they were to cool the brakes, so it got air to the bearings when going down the road. So that the cop wheels that go around like that, which look like this, that have the big holes in them for cooling, these didn't come out until 1978, but they were used all the way through 89 on the Diplomats and Grand Coupes. And on this car, they put later wheels on the back, and I'm assuming they probably put these on for snow tires, because this was over in Eastern Washington. But you can see how big the center is there? That means it's an early wheel, like 367, that fits a bigger dog dish. It does not fit these smaller dog dish hubcaps. Another neat thing that a lot of people don't know about Mopar police cars is, so everybody knows that's the ignition key, the Pentastar. Goes in the ignition, starts the car. On police cars, a factory option was a one key system. So the ignition key opens the trunk as well. Pretty neat, huh? I mean, when you're a company like CHP and you have literally 3,000 to 4,000 cars you have to maintain, having one less key for every car is pretty nice. Yeah, it's time for its first bath. Somehow, I keep on finding grass underneath the car. I have no idea how that might have happened. Maybe it was somebody named Dead Dodge Garage driving it out in a field. All right, so next up now that I have the headlight fixed is to clean out the interior, because honestly, it's a mess. So he's got front end pieces, but I think it needs some front end parts, which we're gonna do brakes pretty soon. I may do those then. Extra headlight, and so yeah, we're gonna clean this out and vacuum it out and see how she looks. All right, all vacuumed out. She still has rubber floor mats, but they put the carpet over it. I don't know why, for that luxury feel, I guess. And she's looking, 5% better. So next step on this, which will not be covered in this video, is do brakes, which I have everything ordered from rockauto.com. I got a master cylinder, rotors, hoses. I went ahead and just got bearings too, because they probably have never been done. And then I need new tires, and I actually have the correct wheels for it, so I can get the correct dog dish hubcaps on it. So, all right, well, away we go. On to the next step. Hopefully next week we can get to brakes, but gotta get that off the lift first.